Alright everyone, if you missed the stream the other day, it was a good one. We went out spearfishing, free diving. We went for some bluefin tuna and for some Dorado, or mahi-mahi dolphin fish. Whatever region you're from is what you'll call it. We call it Dorado around here. And here's a quick highlight of both point of views, of the stream point of view and my GoPro point of view of the fish I got. Now, it was a pretty interesting shot, and here's the video.
No way!
Right in front of you. Oh, shit! No.
Get him! They're going in.
Stop.
Is that where you were asleep? Yeah, can you see him? Take your tuna gun, go in. I'll stay on the boat. Okay.
No way! Come on.
Get it! Go ahead, take your tuna gun.
I don't want to. Oh, it's right there. Oh, there's a whole school.
Get your gun!
That's so fucking crazy.
I'll stay on the boat.
Is there a patty around here?
It's right there. We were gonna go right to it.
Oh my goodness.
Just go. Oh, he's got something. Okay, yeah, I see something on. Oh yeah, he's playing with the fish right there.
Here.
He's got one.
Double! I got double! One shot, baby! Wait,
Hell
yeah. Double! Yeah.
Coming up. It's a you be right there.
Two fish, one shot, baby!
George, just get your fins up.
Dorado. Max!
Bring it. Beautiful fish.
Is there more? I didn't load the roller. I just loaded the single band.
That's all. You're coming up right to you.
Is there more? Yes, lots.
Get in. Get in the water. Go in.
Wow. Let me
take your gun. I'll help you. Holding. Watch out. I'm got the. Watch out. I'm gonna put it down.
Nice, Jimmy.
I'm holding. Beautiful freaking fish. Wow, look at you. Okay, I'm not holding the shaft anymore. I'm letting go of the shaft.
Okay.
Wowzers, how'd you get two?
Put the can, please.
Crap.
What? Two fish, one shaft, chat. Two fish,
what
one shaft. That's a big Dorado, dude.
Those are nice fish.
Yeah!
Come back to it. Alright, you need a knife?
I need my shaft.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Good job.
Beautiful.
What? A twofer? Can you believe that? I shot two Dorados with one shaft. Now that was pure luck. I'm gonna let you know, I wasn't going for that. I was going for the one fish. I was aiming right in front of him, right before his eyes, right? So when the shaft went, it just traveled right through its eye socket that has no meat in between, and it just went full speed right into the fish behind it, and I got lucky. Now you notice I didn't deal with those fish in the water. I just dragged them to the boat, got them on the boat. That way I got them landed, because that's what I want. I want that meat. I don't want to be shooting fish and letting them get away and die. You know, we're out there to get some meat and bring it back for the day. Now we also got a bluefin that day. George shot a bluefin, and this was all live on my TwitchTV channel. So please don't forget to go hit that link below to follow me on Twitch, so you know the next time I'm streaming, and you could join. There's chat. You could chat. I respond. It's a pretty good time. So go hit that link, follow me, install the app, or just view it on a browser. Either way works. I appreciate you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe on here too, because I'm trying to just grow and let people know I'm out here doing this. Thank you.